Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally doing another slime video. So a subscriber actually sent me slime, which is super cool, and I'm going to be reviewing her slime shop. So this is kind of like a reviewing an affordable slime shop video. Hannah from slime_baby on Instagram offered to send me a slime package for free. So thank you so much. And so today I'm going to review her slime. So I will be sure to have her Etsy slime shop as well as her Instagram linked down below. I'll have it on the screen as well. Before I get started, I need to say something super important. Please do not skip through this because it's actually affected a lot of you guys. So a few weeks ago, I was getting messages from you guys saying that someone on Etsy was impersonating me and asking for free slime. First off, I would never message someone asking for free slime. Yes, Hannah did send me the slime package for free, but she offered to. She was like, please take the slime package. I would love if you would just keep it. You could do a review if you want. And I was like, yeah, sure, why not? But I would never just message someone asking for free slime because I know people spend a lot of time on their slime shops and it's a lot of work. It's literally like people's business and people's job. And so I wouldn't expect anyone to send me free slime. The slime reviews that I've done in the past, I've used my own money. I haven't contacted shops asking for free slime. I just don't think that's right. If you get a message from someone asking for free slimes and they're saying that it's me, it's not, because I wouldn't do that. So I just want to make that very clear. I guess the person impersonating me just wanted free slime. Obviously they're not going to do a review. They're just saying like, oh, I'm a YouTube channel or I'm a YouTuber, I'll just do a review. But like, guys, that's not me. So I just want you guys to be safe and don't send random people slime for free. I mean, unless you want to. So anyway, now that that's out of the way, let's get on to opening this slime package. So I put all of the slime in a different box. This is not the box that she sent it in because one of the slimes did leak, but that is not her fault because she does have all of the slimes taped up, as you can tell. And the post office did not take great care of the package, so I just decided to put it in here. And also she said that the slime will probably be sticky just because it took a while to ship to me. It was not her fault at all. She actually paid for 2-day shipping, but the post office just took forever to ship it. But unfortunately that does happen sometimes. So she has a little note that has all the slimes listed on here, and then she has like confetti, which is super cool. Like, look at that. And then she gave me 10 slimes, which is awesome. And also there's some extras in there. Also guys, I no longer have a PO box. I know I'm gonna get questions about that, like, how did she send you the slime? I had her send the slime to my local post office. I just had it sent to like general delivery, if you know what that is. I'm not gonna get into it because I don't know if that many of you guys care. Having a PO box was just getting expensive and I didn't get that much mail. Okay, so I'm just going to open each of these slimes, but it smells really good. Whoa, it's not even like that melted. I thought for sure I would have to activate these. I might have to activate some of them, but that's totally fine. That's totally normal. Like when I reviewed glitter slimes and Peachy Baby slimes, I did have to activate them, just because, you know, they're going from state to state. This is a good slime. Oh my gosh. Guys, her slime is really good prices. So, okay, so far I'm impressed. This is really nice. Like, how did she make this? Okay, next we are going to open this Disney dough slime. Yeah, it's definitely more like a dough. It kind of reminds me of a cloud slime. I know I don't think it's supposed to be a cloud slime, but whoa, like how did she make this? Look at that. Okay, the next slime is banana butter. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. Butter slimes are my favorite. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is everything. That is so satisfying. I'm literally obsessed obsessed. Look at that. That is, oh my gosh, I love this. It is so smooth. Almost dropped it. Okay, next we have Vanilla Bean Frappuccino. That smells good. Okay, so this one is ripping apart a little bit, but that's probably just because it was in the mail for so long. But like other than that, it's really cool. It looks exactly like vanilla bean. I think it does smell a little bit like vanilla. Okay, next we have this one, and this is either Chunky Watermelon Scented or Strawberry Fields Butter. So if it's scented, I know it's that one. I don't think it smells like anything, so I'm pretty sure this is the butter one. Oh yeah, I think this is butter. Who even invented butter slime? Because that's like so nice. Whoa. I absolutely love this color. Here is the next slime, and I believe this is Spearmint Gum. Wow, this color is gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of like a Christmas green color. I don't know. This smells so good. Yes, this definitely smells like spearmint. It's kind of like a clicky slime, which I like, and it pops, and I really like this one. I'm sorry if it looks a little washed out when I get up close. It's just because my ring light is behind my camera, so it Okay, next we have this one. Yes, oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is like a clear slime. It smells so good. It kind of reminds me of a fruit punch. This is so clear. Whoa, and I've never seen beads like this in a slime before. See how clear that is. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I don't think the scent is overpowering on this one. So for the ones that are scented, I would like them to be more scented, just like this one, because for some of them I can't really tell the scent. Okay, so next we have this one. This is the one that spilled, but yeah, that's why I just have it in this plastic bag. But it didn't spill that much, which is good, and it was not her fault. Ooh, there's some purple foam beads in here. The foam beads do not come out of the slime, which is really nice. I love slime with foam beads. It's just so satisfying. See, I can't really tell what the scent of this is. This could honestly be like the blueberry Pop-Tart one. I'm not entirely sure. I'm sorry. I do wish there were labels on the bottom of the container, but I totally understand that that's an added cost and not everyone can do that. Next we have this one, and I believe this is Razzleberry Froyo. I absolutely love this color. I think it's gorgeous, and there's like some little specks in here. I think it's supposed to be like sprinkles for the Froyo. This is like my favorite color at the moment. I love it. It's kind of like a minty green color. That is, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, and here is the last slime. It is a gorgeous hot pink color, and this texture is absolutely amazing. I'm not really sure what kind of slime this is. It kind of reminds me of a cloud slime because I think there might be fake snow in here. This texture is so amazing. I really do like it. If there is fake snow in it, then it is coming off on my hands. There is something coming off on my hands, but it's not like sticky or anything, and it's really not that big of a deal, but I absolutely love this texture. Oh my gosh. So those are all of these slimes she sent, and then she also sent some extras, which is super nice. Thank you so much. First, we have this little bag. It looks like we have some sequins. Ooh, these are pretty. And then we also have some blue glitter. And then lastly, we have a squishy. This is so adorable. This is a little loaf of bread. And then in the next little extras bag, we have the borax, as well as a little slime care sheet. And then we have 2 little candies. We have a Lifesavers Big Ring Gummies. And then we also have a Starburst. Then we have this little, I forgot what she calls this, but it looks like a little slime gloop thing or something. I think that's what she called it on her Instagram. Okay, so I finally got it open. It looks liquidy, but it's not. So that is it for this slime review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Hannah, or Slime Baby, for sending me all this slime. I really do appreciate it. Again, I will leave Hannah's links down below. I definitely recommend purchasing from her slime shop because it's so inexpensive, and I'm really impressed by all of these slimes. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more slime videos, and I will be uploading 3 Christmas videos next week. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.